It's Alpha, and this is an update to the tutorial that I had made in regards to how to fix keep your account safe Facebook two-factor authentication problem. So after going through the comments of that tutorial, I realized that some people still had challenges on how to fix this. So this is the latest update, and I request you to follow each and every step up to the last point. And if it is your first time, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel so that you'll be updated every time I make a new video. So without wasting time, let's begin. So in order to fix this based on the latest update, you're going to link your Facebook account to your Instagram account. And to do that, you're going to open your Instagram account, then you click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then you click on the three dash menu at the top right corner. Then you select settings and privacy. Then under settings and privacy, you select account center. Then under profiles, you're going to click on that, and then you click add accounts. Then select add Facebook account. So by default, it will show the Facebook account that is already signed into your device, but if it doesn't show the account you want, then you just click not you and you'll be able to add other accounts. So if it is the one, then you click continue. So then from there, now you proceed and then you finish adding accounts. After that, your Facebook account is now linked to your Instagram account, right? So then you go back to your home page, and now these are the steps that you're going to follow carefully. So on your home page of Instagram, you click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, and then you select the three dash menu at the top right corner. Then you go ahead and select settings and privacy. Then still you go to account center. Then under account center, you go to account settings. Then from there, you select personal details. So then under personal details, you select the third option, account ownership and control. Then you select deactivation or deletion. So in the next part, you'll be able to see your two profiles, that of Instagram and Facebook. So you go ahead and select the Facebook profile. Then here you'll also have two options, deactivate account and delete account. So you select deactivate account, the first option. So after selecting that, then you click continue. So then you enter your Facebook password. Then in the list of the suggested reasons as to why you want to deactivate your account, you select the first option. This is temporary, I'll be back. Then after that, you continue. Then in the next part, you're going to go to the option that says reactivating your account. Then you will see a little drop down arrow that you're going to click on. So when you click on that drop down arrow, you make sure that you select the last option, don't reactivate automatically. And then you click done. Then proceed and select continue. Then after that, you can confirm the temporal deactivation of your account. So if it asks you to continue using Messenger, you don't select that option. So you leave it unselected. Then you confirm and select deactivate my account. But keep in mind that your account will not be deleted, neither will your information be lost. So this is a temporal situation. So then after that, now you go and log into your Facebook account via any browser. So you can use any of your choice. For those using Android, you can use your Chrome browser. So then on the search bar, you type Facebook login, or you can even go ahead and type facebook.com. So then under Facebook login, you select facebook.com. Then now you can log into your account. So when you log in, magically, the other option of keep your account safe display won't be there, and then you can choose whether you want to reactivate the two-factor authentication again or not. So that is the easiest method, and if this video has helped you, or if it helps you, don't forget to give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can share this to your friends as well, and see you in more of my coming videos.